Pinpoint asteroids in orbit, then hurl y'all thousands of miles an hour towards it.
What's up, Earthlings? So apparently, Mr. Flat Earth Banjo has debunked QF14. Let's see what he's come up with, shall we?
Let's take a quick look here on the wind currents. These are the jet streams around the face of the flat Earth. And you're going to see that close to the edge, the tailwinds is much faster, goes up to 250 miles per hour. Perhaps even more than that. We don't have the information. Exactly, that's what they give us. I want you to pay attention to this. You can go to Flight Radar 24. Pay attention, the airplane leaves Buenos Aires at a normal speed, probably 500 miles per hour. And then all of a sudden, it goes ballistic until it arrives in Australia. This aircraft gained speed once it got on the jet stream. Once it got on the tailwind, it went ballistic and flew faster than the regular speed until it arrived in Australia. It's right in their face. They can't hide that. This aircraft got on the jet stream and flew at speed up to... I'm going to show you that this aircraft flew at an almost impossible... Not impossible, because airplanes do fly at a higher speed than we are told, especially when they get on the jet stream. Here's demonstrated on the Flat Earth map. They left Argentina and then got on the jet stream and just took off real fast and just went faster than the regular speed until it arrived in Darwin.
I'm going to go ahead and congratulate Mr. Flat Earth Banjo on at least attempting to debunk this Qantas flight. Although he failed miserably, which we'll go over here in a minute, I want to at least give him credit for trying. So first of all, Mr. Banjo, I'm not sure if you're up to date with the current Flat Earth narrative, but most Flat Earthers I engage with on a daily basis don't ascribe to the AE map. They literally consider it a straw man and now have agreed that it's a projection of the globe, which is what we've been saying for years.
Earth is Life, $5. Welcome back, Brandon. Any thoughts on the Qantas flight? I don't know what he's referring to. I must have missed something. You'll have to tell me what you're talking about.
They had a flight from Argentina to Australia, like a 17-hour flight. That was all tracked on Flight Tracker, and it's supposed to be impossible on the AE map.
I'll have to check that out.
Well, sure the AE map is a globe projection, not a flat Earth map.
Thanks, Rob. Appreciate it. Now, Mr. Flat Earth Banjo, since you're using it as the official Flat Earth map, then I guess we have to go with this one since we have no alternative. Now, I'm not sure why you decided to go with this route instead of a straight line, which is the shortest distance between 2 points. Also, I don't know what airline would purposely take a ridiculously longer route to get to their destination, but we'll go with it for the time being. I'm guessing you disagree with the distance, airspeed, and flight time given by the FlightAware website. So again, we'll go with the distances on your Flat Earth map along with the airspeed you claimed. So after doing the math, the diameter of your Flat Earth is 24,872 miles. Divide that by 2, that gives us a radius which is 12,436 miles. And when we solve for the circumference, we get 78,142 miles. So because you chose a route which follows the outer perimeter of the Flat Earth, we have to find the distance traveled by figuring out how many longitude lines it crossed during its journey. We do that by finding the longitude line which intersects each airport and just count how many there are in between those 2 lines. Then divide the circumference distance by the total number of spaces in between each latitude line. That comes out to 2,170 miles, which is the distance between each longitude line on the circumference. Then finally, multiply that by the number of spaces in between each airport. So in this case, and according to your map, this flight traveled an approximate distance of 36,890 miles. Again, that seems like a pretty far distance to travel in just 17 hours and 41 minutes. But again, we're going with your map. The average speed logged was 575 miles, but you also mentioned that the flight was aided by a 250 mile an hour jet stream. So let's go with that for a second. So you're claiming that the actual flight speed is 850 miles per hour, traveling over a distance of approximately 36,890 miles, and it made it there in 18 hours? Are you seeing the problem here yet? Let's break this down even further. In reality, even with your supposed 850 mile an hour flight speed, it would have actually taken this flight over 45 hours to complete. So it seems like not even your extra airspeed helps you with this argument. It's not even close. Not only that, in order for this flight to make it there in 18 hours, it would have had to have been traveling at 2,049 miles per hour, which is 2.5 times faster than your assumed airspeed. Now, if you can confirm that there's a commercial airliner that can travel at a speed of 2,049 miles per hour within Earth's atmosphere and carry enough fuel to travel a distance of 36,000 miles, I will gladly concede that the Earth is flat. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and check out the rest of my videos if you're interested. And as always, peace.
Pinpoint asteroids in orbit, then hurl y'all thousands of miles an hour towards it.